Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ruth Intoy. I am 39 years old. I am married. I have three children, ages 15 years old, 13 years old, and 8 years old. I like cooking, taking care of the kids and pets. I am honest, trustworthy, patient, and hardworking. I've worked 2 years and 1 month in Kuwait. I do all house chores like cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, and taking care of the kids and pets and elderly. I serve five members, uh, three adults, ages 28 years old, 35 years old, and 66 years old, and the kids 3 years old and the newborn. Mom and sir, if you choose me, I'm willing to learn and I will do my best. God bless and thank you.